Well, we may be going through some gloomy economic times, but a silver lining to the credit crunch is beginning to show through. The latest Wizard Home Loans Affordability Survey reveals some surprises for first-time buyers. I'm joined now by financial commentator and co-author of the report, Hickey. Bernard, you're calling this a perfect storm for home buyers, especially first-time buyers. What do the numbers show?
Which shows that the tax cuts on October the 1st and lower interest rates are combining to make it easier for first home buyers to get into the market. Remember, a half a year or so ago, back the end of last year, it was basically impossible for many first home buyers to get into the market. Well, now that house prices have come down and after-tax wages are starting to rise with these tax cuts, it is much easier now for first home buyers to get into the market. And now that interest rates are falling too and likely to fall further next year, that makes it a bit more of a prospect for first home buyers to get into this market, particularly next year.
You've expressed it in percentage terms in the report. Can you explain that to us? Yes,
what we do is work out the cost of the mortgage on a home in the percentage of after-tax pay. And what this shows is that that percentage has dropped for first home buyers to close to 50% from well over 70% a year or so ago. So that's getting towards an area where it's not so painful for first home buyers to get into the market.
And do you see affordability getting better, or are prices going to start to rise again?
Well, we've got more tax cuts to come, and we've also got more interest rate cuts to come. It's expected now that in a couple of weeks' time the Reserve Bank will cut the official cash rate to 5.5% by about 100 basis points. And people are now saying the official cash rate could drop to as low as 3 or even 4% next year. That would mean variable interest rates are going to drop to around about 7%, and that means for first home buyers and for existing mortgage holders, that makes housing much more affordable, although it is coming from very high levels.
All right, Hickey, thanks for joining us this afternoon.